Hey guys, alright, we are at 521 12th Street South, number 57 today, a 1988 double wide mobile home. Before we get to that, let me talk to you a little bit about the neighborhood here. You're only blocks away from the dog park. You are blocks away from Camelot Intermediate School, and only a block away from your nearest convenience store, where you can get all your emergency necessities fairly quickly if you need to. Also, jump on the bike, take a stroll through the Indian Hills bike trails, or just jump on the city-wide bike trail. You're not very far from that either. So, a lot of great amenities close by that you will enjoy if you want to take a look at this mobile home. So, mobile homes, 1988, 1,680 square feet. It is a 28 by 60, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and lots of some updates here. One of them, just to name a few, is the new luxury vinyl plank floor here in the living room that I'm standing in. And let's take a stroll with me. Let's take a look at all the other rooms. And if you have any questions about this home or anything else regarding it, please reach out to myself or anybody on the Brookings Home Team. Shane Anderson with the Brookings Home Team, powered by Century 21. We're ready to serve you. Let us know how we can help. Enjoy the tour, guys. Thank you.